In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a transparent shape in Canva. This is a simple adjustment that makes a big difference when you're designing thumbnails, presentations, social posts, or any layout where you want text to stand out without blocking the background. By the end, you'll be able to soften a shape so it blends perfectly with your design. Start by opening your project in Canva. Make sure the design you want to work on is visible on your canvas. Now, click once on the shape you want to make transparent. You'll know it's selected when you see the outline and handles around it. This can be any shape you've already added, like a rectangle, circle, or a decorative element. Selecting it first is important because the transparency control only applies to the object that's highlighted. With the shape selected, look to the top toolbar. You'll see an icon that looks like a small checkerboard pattern. That's the transparency control. Go ahead and click it to open the transparency slider. This slider controls how see-through your shape is, and you'll get a live preview as you adjust it. To make the shape more transparent, drag the slider to the left. As you move it, the shape will become lighter and the content behind it will show through. If your shape sits over a photo or a colorful background, you'll notice the image beneath becoming more visible. Keep dragging left until you reach the look you want. If you go too far and the shape seems to disappear, don't worry. Just drag the slider back to the right to bring opacity back up. Many designs look great with the transparency somewhere in the middle, but it really depends on your background and color choices. Take a moment to glance at your entire layout while you adjust. A slightly transparent shape can help text pop without feeling heavy, especially if you're using strong brand colors. If your text sits on top of the shape, you might find that a softer transparency makes the text easier to read while still letting your background set the mood. Once you're happy with how it looks, you're done. That's all it takes. Select your shape, click the checkerboard transparency icon in the top toolbar, and drag the slider to the left until you're satisfied. This quick tweak adds polish and depth to your designs and helps you guide attention exactly where you want it. Try it on different shapes and colors to see what works best for your style.